Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Saturday morning and the weatherman says it's very sunny out here in Sutter County, Northern California. So I hope you all have a great Saturday. Yesterday and last night I did carne asada tacos. The day started off by building the asada seasoning blend. Smelled wonderful. Then it went to building the marinade for the carne asada. And my beef rested for about 4.5 hours before I cooked it off in a wok. And I did it in batches. But before I started to cook off the beef, I did Mexican rice too. Because you know I've been searching for a Mexican rice recipe that's not my own. So this one, I got cooking. All right, everything came out wonderful. The carne asada alone, but not in the taco shell and covered in sour cream and cheese and whatnot, tastes very good. It has a very good citrus note to it. Because two of the ingredients in the carne asada marinade is orange juice and lemon juice. I'd probably switch it up to lime juice next time. And the heat, because there's three different chili powders in the seasoning blend, you lose all the heat. I can see why in the carne asada recipe it actually suggests an optional hot sauce. So, the pictures are not pretty, but it's very good. It was a great meal for a Friday, the carne asada tacos and the Mexican rice. The Mexican rice is a little different, but very good. I will get all three of these recipes posted up for you this morning. Yeah. Tonight, I'm not cooking. And let me show you why. I'm actually going to do something I normally don't do. There we go. I have, yes, the rare look into the Casual Chef's refrigerator. We have leftovers galore. I don't know how many Robin did not take to the office this week, but we're having leftovers. One, it's going to also help save us some money. Eating out, and I normally don't talk about finances in my messages, but I am right now. Eating out is getting crazy. So we're having leftovers. I'd rather eat my great, yummy leftovers than pay a huge price for a mediocre meal. I'm off my soapbox. Next week, starting tomorrow, St. Patty's Day, I'm doing corned beef with a parsley sauce, crushed new potato, kakanan. I know I went over this list again, but I want to go over it again. I got time. Shrimp gumbo with Alton Brown's recipe. Mongolian beef 3. I haven't done a stir fry in a while. Tomato basil bisque with garlic bread. And chicken parmesan meatballs with creamy skilled egg noodles and peas. Yes. The wind has finally died down. I'm playing Weatherman again. Sorry. The wind is finally dying down after a few days. I had to hide my lawn furniture. All right. On this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking. Phenomena.